Example 3, pause the video and read the question. Okay, so the probability that a community bus arrives late is 0.4 for both days, Saturdays and Sundays. Joseph is traveling by a bus on Saturday and Sunday. Complete the information, then calculate probability that the bus is late in one of the days. Okay, now a bus is either late or early. We said it's late 0.4 on Saturdays and Sunday. So we put 0.4 for late, and all the late should have 0.4. Now we know each branch should add up to 1. So 0.4 from 1 will give you 0.6. So early will be 0.6, and all early should also have 0.6. Label your branches: early, 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 late, late, early, late, late. We want probability that is late in one of the days. Late in one day, late in one day. So 2 options here. So you work it out. 0.6 times 0.4 is early and late. 0.4 times 0.6 is late and early. And that gives us 0.48.